everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to Rochielin. Thank you so much for being here. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on my social media pages, and yeah, so let's get into today's video. So it is Saturday morning, April 27th. It is 1:34 a.m. in the morning. So it's Friday night into Saturday morning, and I am about to go in about an hour or so to a party called Caesar's Army Ambush. Never been before, just learning about it. In Jamaica right now it's soca season. I mean, it's carnival week. Carnival road march is going to be on Sunday, and they have all these parties leading up to the road march, which is the big event. I'm not really a soca person, not a soca junkie. I mean, I'm from the Caribbean, I'm from Jamaica, more into dance hall and more into reggae music. Soca not so much, but you know, still have to support my Caribbean sisters and brothers. Apparently it's like the party originated in Trinidad, and it's like a super exclusive kind of party where you have to be on a list and you have to request to get tickets, and then you're selected, and this whole shebang. I don't even know the total process. That's what I was told. I got a ticket to go, so I'm gonna go and see what it's like, and I'm gonna take you guys on the journey with me. Before that, to show you how super exclusive they are, to go, when you qualify for the ticket, they give you this bag. On the front it marks ambush or ambush JA or A ambush. I think the AM is because it's in the morning, so A ambush JA. Caesar's Army here, and then Armageddon in the bottom. I don't know what that really stands for. And inside the bag, I guess everyone is gonna have on one of these shirts, and it's the A ambush and Caesar's Army shirt. Now this shirt is hella big, so I'm gonna have to do some tying up. Then there is this kerchief, or like, you know, so people always waving something. So they also give snacks, strawberry flavored biscuit, and then I guess Maggie sponsored because there's Maggie season. There is antiperspirant roll-on, there's Nescafe, an Old Spice deodorant, and then there's hand sanitizing wipes and a string. This bag actually is my friend's bag. I collected his bag for him, so that's what he got in the bag. I just realized when I started seeing Old Spice and thing. And here's my shirt, and it's in the size small. I guess the flyer for the party and the map. I got a Nescafe mug, Maggie seasoning. I got glasses from Biore. I got Venus disposable razor, Jergens shea butter, deep conditioning moisturizer, and shampoo. It is that I forgot to mention it's a Juve party, so you're gonna get paint all over, which I'm not too enthused about. So this is to wash your hair. I don't know who for hair this I go wash, because look on my throat. There's no way this a little packet there can wash my hair. And then some more seasoning, and then this, I guess this is like a tattoo for your arm, Caesar's Army. This is what I got in my Caesar's Army bag. So I'm gonna just relax a little bit until about 3, and then at 3 I'm gonna get ready for go to this party. Alright guys, I actually fell asleep and I just woke back up, so I'm gonna start getting ready officially. I'm tired. Right now it's 3:42 a.m. Alright guys, so hair done. Hair in my 2 pigtails. Glasses are ready. Shirt on, shorts on, Crocs on, ready.
Hey, 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 yeah. Party mash up again. Hey, hey, girl them bubbling. Hey, hey, bring all your friend them. Hey, hey.
So we finally just made it, and now we're going to get the shuttle that's gonna take us to the actual party. There's a lot of people here. very skimpily dressed. I feel overdressed. I feel like I have on a lot of clothes. Even though I have on shorts. Look, they even bag up the bus.
Yeah.
So yes.
Stop the bus. You can't stop that one, sir.
Yeah.
We're not waiting. We're just going.
Thank you. We're like walking in the wilderness. There's like no light. So why did the shuttle bus let us off so far up? And we still have to walk this long mile in the dark. I can't see nothing. What's that?
This is my thing.
Can I paint them that?
Yeah.
It's a whole lot of bumper shots in your accent. Batty rider.
You look nice, but take a wine. Are you type to take a wine? Where's your hand?
Look, I have this thing on my head so that I don't get paint up.
You were so certified. Push me back one time when you give me that fast line.
Basically finished now, and we're back at the car, and it was kind of lame for me in my first experience, you know, and I'm here with Dan and he's Bayesian, so he wanted me to experience it the right way, but it turned out to be the lamest year of all the years. And then again, we came late, so we don't know what happened before we came. Maybe it wasn't that bad, huh? Right, Dan?
It was bad.
Dan is so mad that I didn't get to get the real experience, but it's life, things happen, sometimes it doesn't go as planned, you know. So now I'm just gonna head home. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little I was able to get, because really not much happened. So yeah, see you in the next vlog.